bestie. If you are returning, hey bestie.
I'm a married little Christmas.
Y'all, welcome back. It's 4 o'clock and I'm just now like really about to start running my errands. I've been at my sister's house for like a few hours, just and spending time with her because yeah, I miss my girl. Even though I just seen her last night, I just need to be in her presence again. So I was with my sister for a few hours and we was playing like Just Dance. But y'all, we were playing Just Dance without the MOREE, without the we. We was just like dancing and stuff, and that really helped me like clear my mind. Shout out to you, boo. I love you, even though she's probably not gonna watch this. But now I'm on the way to the mall because I'm out of shea butter, and I only get my shea butter from the African store, and the only African store we have is in the mall. So I'm on the way to the mall right now. I might record a little bit walking in the mall and stuff, but I'm not gonna fully record in the mall. Just, damn, what the fuck is you stopping for, fool? You so nosy. People just really irk my nerves, I tell you. But yeah, I need to go to the mall, and I'm thinking about going to 5 Below to get some cute little like Christmas items. So we may get a little bit of Christmas decorations. Hopefully I can spend less than $20. I get like 3 items, $15 at the max, but we shall see. So I will see y'all when I get to the mall. Love you, bye. Okay y'all, so I'm at the mall. I just need to get one item. I'm going to come out with just one item because I don't need anything else but one item. So yeah, I will see y'all after I grab what I need. Okay y'all, I got my one item. Like I said, I just needed one item. Now I'm about to leave. I need to go to, I don't know, I might go to 5 Below. Just all I needed, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get back in the car. I didn't show y'all, but I went to Dunkin and I got me a coffee. The coffee is a 2 out of 10 because it's too tart. I had all this sweet. Long story short, they did terrible on my coffee. I haven't bought a coffee in the longest because I've been drinking Red Bulls and making my own coffee at home. And I see exactly why I stick to what I know. Even though this is like my signature, but I don't know what they did. This ain't it. This is not it. This is pretty damn bad. It's too tart. I love a sweet drink. This is too tart. I think I'm supposed to get 4 of something. Excuse me, but let me tell you what. I got a medium iced original coffee with light ice, 3 caramel swirls, 3 butter pecan swirls, oat milk, 3 creams, and cold foam. So yeah, that's what I got. It's even at the bottom, it's too like, it's too coffee. Too coffee-y.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's not a word, but I just made it up. It tastes like coffee too much. I like my drink to be sweet. Anyways, we're at 5 Below. Finna head in, and I will see y'all a little bit. Okay, so we're walking into 5 Below. Let's see if I can stay under my limit, because I don't want to get a lot of stuff. But I'm gonna see y'all, or just show y'all around.
I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death. I Williams, little X. If you don't say it directly, give a fuck. I put some ice on her hand. I let her take it in advance. She wasn't going to plan. I put a shit in the pan. She gotta move with a friend. First she went back to a man. Give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway. You know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's the whole wild way it's going in. Me and little sicko sitting sideways, breaking tens. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion, not in Texas, it's a beachfront. But she bringing 4 friends, I know I.
Leaving 5 Below, and I spent. Did I park over here? Where the fuck did I park at? Yeah, I always. Oh, I got it. We're leaving 5 Below, and I went, I think, 10 over my limit. I was finna go about a little bit more over my limit, but it's okay. 10 over my limit. I'm gonna show y'all what we got. Hold up. I got it on my tripod, and let me show y'all what we got. First things first is my sister loves little plushies, and I thought this was so cute. Like, look at it. It's so cute. It's a bowl of cereal. And she loves Fruit Loops. And I just thought this was so cute. I was like, yes, I gotta get this for her. One thing about me is if I say I'm going shopping for myself, more than likely I'm going to go shopping for someone else too. Like, I don't know, I have a habit of being like, oh my god, this person would love this. Like, anyways, I got this for my little sister, Cal's. Sissy, when you see this, is for you, boo. Even though you're gonna get it before the video comes out. Then what else did I get? So she loves Oreos, and I just thought this would be so cute for her to make, and I'll help her make it. It's a mini Christmas chocolate, it's a Christmas chocolate mini house cookie kit. So it's just like, you know, the gingerbread ones, but it's with Oreos. She is an Oreo girly. She loves Oreos. So we're gonna have fun putting this together. Got this for you too, Sissy Pooh. And then I got, this is the only Christmas decoration they had as far as like, because I just wanted a cute little pillow to go on my bed, just for like the Christmas spirit. And this is a Santa hat pillow. It was $5. All of this was $5. Everything I got was $5. But it's just a cute little pillow. I also got 2 more other things. I just got a car charger because I'm always taking my regular charger with me. So I'm like, I always keep a car charger in my purse, but my last one broke. So I finally got another one. I got it green because y'all know green is my favorite color. Make sure I got the right one. Yeah. That was $5 as well. And then last and final, I got a cute planner. Hold up, y'all. I'll be back, y'all. My little cousin called me. My little cousin Jaden, he loves me down. Like, he calls me for everything 24/7. But so last and final, we got a planner, and it's just a cute little planner. It's actually really cute. Like, it's simple, but it's so cute. I love a cute and simple planner. So yeah, I've never actually used a planner, and I want to start using them because I'm organized, but I haven't been organized to use a planner. I haven't used a planner since they were like mandatory in like middle school, elementary school. And this will actually be great for my content as well. Like, okay, what days? Because I have a calendar, but just having a planner as well, just it's easier to write for me. I don't know. But yes, y'all, that's all we got from 5 Below. Finna finally head to the house. I have to study, so I'm gonna study for my test. I might take my quiz early, and then I think that's it. Probably chill out. I think Baddies comes on, so we're gonna might watch an episode of Bodies. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I really want some wings. Oh, I got some Trader Joe wings, so y'all might call me as I make some Trader Joe wings. So yes, y'all, I love y'all. I hope you're having a great Sunday. Hopefully by the time I get to the house, we can still do a little reset, like, you know, wash some clothes, redo my whole calendar because it's December now, update my goals and everything. But yes, I love y'all, and I will see y'all later.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever thought me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was me out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even love. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are real. Good boys are real. He doesn't see ya. You're not making money, boy. Good boys are real. Good boys are real. He doesn't see ya. You're not making money, boy. Good enough.
Currently at a stoplight, but I'm on the way to Wingstop. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. Love y'all. Hey y'all, so now we're at the gas station filling up Big Mama because Big Mama she's a gas guzzler. Not really. I ordered the food and it'll probably be done in like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, because they look a little everywhere. They're not understaffed, but it's just like you got people that's still waiting for their food that probably ordered online or called in or DoorDash, whatever, but they ain't get their food. And you got people who giving the wrong change. But yes, unfortunately I had to touch the pump by myself. It's ghetto. Why the hell that thing stop at 35? Hold on, y'all. Do not beat me up because I forgot to show y'all the food. But just know I got honey lemon pepper, hot honey rub, something like that, that dry rub. And then I got lemon pepper. The food was like a 4 out of 10. When I ask for extra crispy, that's what I mean, extra crispy. And usually they are always great with it. But whoever was back there cooking tonight, please go home and don't come back. Thank you.
I ain't never had nobody do me like you. I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you didn't show me. And the special way I feel when you want me.